Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you where to find and how to manage sound settings on TECLAST T60. To find sound settings, go to Settings app, then go to Sound, and now I'm gonna get you through all of these available settings. The first one is Media Volume Slider. You can adjust it to adjust the volume of media. Here you can adjust the volume of ringtone. Here you can adjust notification volume, and here you can adjust alarm volume. Then you can go to Do Not Disturb and you can turn it on now if you want to disable notifications. You can check who can interrupt Do Not Disturb, and that's how Do Not Disturb works. You can choose tablet ringtone for SIM 1 and for SIM 2. You can enable live captions, so whenever your tablet recognizes speech, it will create captions on screen. You can go to Media and adjust media settings. You can go to Default Notification Sound and choose the notification sound, Default Alarm Sound, and you can enable or disable dial-a-pad tones, screen locking sound, charging sounds, and tap and click sounds. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.